Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you now how to link your email account for easy access to your Alipay. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tawa or Pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your Alipay. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Alipay. Then after you open up your Alipay, next thing you need to do is to click on account from the bottom right here. Click on the account. So click on here. There's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on add an email to receive important notification. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter your email account. After enter your email account, click on get verification code. The next thing you need to do is to head over to your email account to get the code. So right here, my Gmail. I'm going to refresh. Here is the Alipay code right here. I'm going to click on that. And I have the code right here, which is 251018. I have to go back to my Alipay. So 25 10 18. Here, you need to enter your payment password. Then here, you will need to enter the 6 digits of your international passport.